name is Sylvia. I am actually the owner of Green Goddess Beauty and Wellness in Conyers, Georgia, and I can be located on Instagram at Green Goddess BW. I truly enjoyed this class. I'm really looking forward to expanding my services at Green Goddess Beauty and Wellness by adding dermaplaning, and I feel very, very confident in providing services now. Thanks again.
Hi, my name is Antonio. I really enjoyed the experience. It's a very nice clinical setting, and the hands-on clinical training was amazing. And also, I'm a licensed esthetician here in Atlanta. I can be reached at on Instagram. My name is Skin Culture, spelled with a Y, not an I, not an I. And yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I am a student at Linear Tech. I came here wanting to really set myself apart from the other estheticians I'll be graduating with, and I had a really great time.